March Mayhem is literally about reading, making sure that kids are reading and they're learning, they're having fun. So what we did is added competition so that now they will want to read even more. We add March Mayhem to coincide with basketball and the championship. And so it's similar to that with the brackets. Parents, family members can read to a student. They can share a book and say, hey, I read a page, you read a page, or they can listen to the student read. The goal is to have people reading.
Today made me feel a lot more confident about reading and winning.
I felt really proud because I'm going to read more, and so my school can win because I love my school so much, and I really love reading a lot.
Our goal is to have all students reading on grade level by third grade, 90% of our kids reading. And so this is the culminating event to let the kids know that we are serious about it and we want to celebrate you while we're doing it.
I'm going to try and read as much as I can to get us to win.